Once again, good morning, ma'am. I would like to formally introduce myself. I am Christine Marie Doreen Cinco. I graduated at Notre Dame of Messiah College with a bachelor's degree of secondary education, major in mathematics. And when it comes to my educational background, I studied within the field of mathematics within 4 years. And now I am a currently licensed professional teacher. I just recently passed the licensure examination for teachers.
Okay, Ms. Cinco, why did you choose teaching as a profession, and what inspired you to become one?
I choose teaching as my profession. Actually, it's not the sudden choice. It is a gradual decision making as I think it gradually. I think it deeply that education could be a stand and a cornerstone for a change for the future of every learner. Just like me, I took education because I believe that this is the way for me to attain the future that what I am looking for. That is why I choose this teaching as my profession in the future, because I can see myself helping to those learners to be in my profession, because I believe that I am perfect, or I am in a position that I can serve the people where I was once to be. So I do believe in that.
Thank you. Lastly, how would you handle diverse learners in one classroom?
I know handling diverse students, the different traditions they come and leave, it could be that difficult. But with my specialties, that my learning that I've learned throughout my 4 years of studying education and to be a teacher, I can believe to myself and I can see that I can handle learners, diverse learners in one classroom. I know I will handle a lot of educational learners in the coming future. If I will be fortunate enough to be part of this school, in this institution, if you will allow me to be part in this school now. So I will handle the learners with inclusivity. That would be the way how should I handle those young learners with diverse tradition and ethnicity coming from different regions. So I do believe now with my knowledge, I can handle them with enough. I will compromise as a room with full of engagement with different learners, with different activities that they have, with different tradition and with diversity inside of the classroom. I believe that if I would be enough and I would be chosen as one of the facilitator for the learners of those students, I can handle them with full of attention, the center. I will make sure that they will be the center of my teaching. So the inclusivity inside of diversity, inside of the classroom with full of diverse students. So there would be in the presence of welcoming those young learners, I would make sure that they can really fit in. So with that, inclusivity inside of the classroom, amidst of diversity, there would be 100%